Hey guys, welcome back to Cara's Cakes. Today on my channel I'm going to be sharing with you a video on how I decorate this vanilla drip cake. I'm going to start this new series on my channel called Quick Cakes, and every once in a while I'll upload a time-lapse video on how I decorate a certain style cake. I like these rectangle cakes because they're easier to cut at parties, and this cake was specifically for my father's 60th birthday. I also did a chocolate cake the same day, and if you'd like to see that video, just give this one a thumbs up and I can add that one next. So I cut off the edges of the slab cake and I measured it so it's in 3 different parts so I can stack them. I didn't measure these perfectly, so it's a little bit bigger on the top than the bottom, and it did kind of have a curve to it, but I tried to fix that up with the buttercream. And so I put the crumb coat on, pop that in the fridge for a few minutes, and then put the next layer on. If you like these style videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. If you subscribe and turn the bell notifications on, you won't miss any of my new videos. Right here you can see that I'm getting the buttercream ready to pipe on the top of the cake. I use a really big star nozzle, fill up the buttercream, and I pipe circular motion on the top of the cake. It's kind of like a rosette over and over. I popped the cake in the fridge and got some white chocolate out ready to make the drip for the sides of the cake. I get this white chocolate at Bulk Barn, and I put a little bit in a measuring cup, add some whipping cream, and heat it in the microwave for 20-second intervals until it's melted. I added some white icing color to make it a little bit whiter so it would match the cake, and then I put it in a piping bag. As you can see, I drip down the sides, and it helps when the cake is cold and then the drip is hot because then it sticks to the sides a little bit better. Pop that back in the fridge and got my fruit ready for decorating. I just put the fruit randomly around the top of the cake. I use strawberries and blueberries. And that's it for this quick cakes video. If you'd like to see more of this style video, let me know down in the comments, give me a like, and please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me. Thank you so much for watching.